Hi, this is Mark Chandler from West Marine Rigging. Here today to talk to you about the halyards that we make in the off-season to keep our splicers busy. They come pre-packaged in these nice bags. They come in different sizes and lengths, of course. We splice them with a headboard shackle on one end and a reeving eye on the other end, which is a soft eye, same diameter as the rope, allows you to tie a small line onto the halyard and pull it into the mast. This one is made from Stacehead X rope. We also make them from VPC. And of course, you can have any type of rope custom made into a halyard by West Marine Rigging. Visit one of our rigging shops in 9 stores around the country. Give us a call or go online and we'll custom make a halyard just for your boat. This has been Mark Chandler for West Marine Rigging.
Thanks for watching. Be the first to see new videos. Keep us on your radar by clicking subscribe. And for more product videos, tips, and how-to guides, check out our advice and how-to section on westmarine.com.